The iPhone 15 series is just 2 months away, and excitement is building among tech enthusiasts. The new models are rumored to feature a variety of innovation, including the removal of the notch. They are also expected to be more colorful, with two new color options rumored to be in the lineup. Here are the details.
The iPhone 15 series is just 2 months away, and excitement is building among tech enthusiasts. The new models are rumored to feature a variety of innovations, including the removal of the notch. They are also expected to be more colorful, with two new color options rumored to be in the lineup. Here are the details. iPhone 15 gets a makeover with new colors and materials. iPhones are not only notable for their features but also for their designs and color options. For instance, you must have been intrigued by the recently released yellow iPhone 14. Now, a similar situation is arising for the new models. Apple is rumored to be introducing two new color options for the iPhone 15 lineup, a dark red color for the iPhone 15 Pro and a green color for the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus. The new red color for the iPhone 15 Pro is described as a crimson shade. It is expected to be slightly lighter than the iPhone 14 Pro's deep purple color, but still very deep. The green color for the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus is said to be similar to the green of the iPhone 12 and iPhone 11. These new colors would add to the existing color options for the iPhone 15 lineup, which are rumored to include silver, space gray, and gold. The iPhone 15 Pro is also rumored to be made from titanium, which would be a first for the iPhone. Apple has used titanium in the Apple Watch for several years, and it is known for being strong and durable. It is unclear exactly when the iPhone 15 lineup will be released, but it is expected to launch in the September 2023. In the meantime, we can all speculate about which color and material we would choose.